Sorry for the delay. This is how to edit the sliders on the Thinker's Lodge site now. So if you're on the dashboard, just go there here. Now you go to Avada and you go to sliders. You will see a list of the sliders which are here, including the home slider. Okay. Now a slider is a container within which there are slides. So if, for instance, you were to edit the home slider, you would see that you're not actually seeing the images. You're just seeing the setting for the slider itself, which is what displays here on the home page in the editor, avada slider, home slider. If you need to identify what any of the other ones, just go into the editor and you'll see this at the top of the page. This obviously drives this area right here. Now, if you go to sliders here, and then you click on slides, you will then see all of the published slides. What's a little confusing is that it's hard to tell which where these are assigned. Excuse me. So you can basically, if you hit this little quick edit here on any slide, you'll see the list of sliders over here, and you can see it is assigned to home slider. Okay. So if we go into this one and you want to edit it, so now you're in sliders, slides, go here, hit edit, and we should see the slide itself. So here's the image. Thinker's Lodge is reopening July 2nd, so obviously you'll want to update that, and other settings that are available for this slide. You can also change it here, or you can change its published status. If you put it in draft, for instance, it'll stop showing on the home page. So let's go back here for a second and take a look at the problem of, okay, we have multiple slides here. Perfect place for seaside wedding, planning an event, place of inspiration, tranquility. It may be a little tricky to, yeah, so here's the other ones that are on the home page. You basically just have to identify it by what it was titled. And if you go in here, you can see this is assigned to home slider. So if you need to edit any of these, you can do that. If you want to create a new slide, the best thing to do is to clone the slide, and that will say our slide copy 1 or something like that, because that'll keep all the settings that have previously been assigned. So you can clone it, then edit the clone and publish it, and it will show up on the front end. If you need to change the order of these, not sure we have it set up to drag and drop. Let me just see here. Sliders. No, I will look into getting this so you can change the order. One of the things you can do in the meantime, if you need to change the order, is basically change the published date. If you change this date, whatever's first should show first on the main slide. So let's actually check that setting. Go to sliders, go to home slider, and we can see here, yeah, it's ordered by date. So the newest ones will be first. That's the simplest way to kind of manage it. If that's not convenient, we can do a thing where we can drag and drop it, but it can cause some other issues. So let me know if this helps, and happy to assist some more. Thanks.